Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Files. Now install this free app by Google Developer and open it. Now you need to click on Continue, choose Allow and tap on the switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then tap on the back button and choose Clean at the bottom left corner. Following that, choose Clean under Junk Files and tap on Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, storage of my smartphone was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!